Diagrammatical representation of the kidney. Outermost is called fibrous capsule. Kidney is the bean shaped internally, divided into the two parts. Outer peripheral part is called cortex and inner part is called medulla. That is renal cortex, that is the renal medulla. Renal artery and renal vein and ureter, all ducts are enter into the kidney through the renal pelvis region, that is renal pelvis. Renal artery enter and renal vein and ureter coming from kidney. That is the renal papilla are present in the cortex part, and that is renal medulla. In the medulla region, some pyramids are present called renal pyramids, and the blood vessels are also present. In the medulla region, cortex part is entered, and this region is called renal columns of Brittany. So that is the internal structures of the kidney. The structure of kidney. Kidneys are two in number, dark red, slightly flattened, bean shaped, 10 cm long, 5 cm wide and 4 cm thick. In rabbit 20 to 25 mm. Weight 150 grams in male and 135 grams in female. Kidneys are mesodermal in origin, retroperitoneal, that is peritoneum present on ventral side. Metanephric kidney is the present. Asymmetrical. Left kidney is 25 millimeter downward than right kidney. It is the hemostatic organ given by W. Cannon. Kidney is attached to dorsal wall by mesocaeum membrane. Kidney is situated in anterior abdominal cavity, below diaphragm, on both sides of vertebral column. Between the last thoracic vertebrae and second lumbar vertebrae. Kidney are outerly convex and internally too. Internally, a notched hilum, or also called hilus, present. From this point, renal artery enter and renal vein and ureters come out. Diameter of renal artery is more than other normal artery. Kidney is covered by a capsule. Outside capsule, a fat layer of adipose capsule followed by a fibrous membrane, that is renal fascia present. It is solid, made up of 10 lakh nephrons or uriniferous tubules. In kidney, outer part is cortex and inner part is medulla. We are studying about the cortex. It is granular due to presence of Malpighian capsule. In between medullary rays of pharynx present. These are straight part of PCT and DCT, also called proximal convoluted tubules and distal convoluted tubules. Cortex enters into medulla region between two pyramids in the form of column of Brittany. On their inner side, adipose tissues present. Inner part of kidney is called medulla. It is made up of 15 to 16 pyramids in rabbit, marsupials, insectivorous rodents. Pyramid only one, that is unilobular. Central pointed part of pyramid is papillae. On papillae, duct of Bellani opens. Papillae open in calyx and calyx open in the pelvis. From renal pelvis, ureter is originated. Uriniferous tubule, that is the nephron. Unit of kidney 3 to 5 centimeter long. Total length of nephrons is 65 kilometers. A tubule consists of Malpighian capsule, consists of Bowman's capsule and glomerulus, and second part is the neck, and third one is that secretory tubules. Secretory tubules divide following points: PCT, that is proximal convoluted tubule, Henle's loop, DCT, that is distal convoluted tubule and collecting duct. Malpighian capsule, head part of nephron, situated in cortex part. It contains U-shaped Bowman's capsule. Interior porous layer is of podocytes having minute outgrowth as trabeculae. Due to pores, permeability of membrane is increased 100 to 1000 times. In Bowman's capsule, glomerulus present having mesenchymal cells. Glomerulus is formed by afferent and efferent arterioles. Diameter of afferent arteriole, one is more than efferent arteriole. Both arterioles, afferent and efferent, form network of the capillaries. Diameter of Malpighian capsule is about 0.2 mm. That is the diagrammatical representation of nephrons. That is the diagrammatic representation of nephron. Head of the nephron is cup-shaped, is called Bowman's capsule. In the Bowman capsule, afferent arterioles enter and divide into the so many blood capillaries. Network of the blood capillaries is called glomerulus. So that glomerulus and Bowman's capsule collectively called Malpighian corpuscles, and the inner side of the Bowman's capsule, specific cells are present called podocyte cells. These are porous in nature. From the glomerulus, efferent arterioles given out through Bowman's capsule. That is collecting tubules. It is called the PCT, proximal convoluted tubule. A small neck is present in between Bowman's capsule and PCT. It is the coiled structure and maximum glomerular filtrate absorbed in the PCT region, so that is loop of Henle. it divides into thick descending limb, then thin descending limb, and thin ascending limb and thick ascending limb, so that blood capillaries form the network inner side of the secretory tubules, that is called vasa recta, and that is the DCT. It is distal convoluted tubules, and distal convoluted tubules open into collecting tubules, and finally collecting tubules open into the collecting duct, and so many collecting duct open into duct of Bellani, and at the part of the duct of Bellani, renal papillae present, so that Bowman's capsule, glomerulus, PCT, DCT, collecting tubules and collecting duct. This part is situated in the renal cortex of the kidney, and that loop of Henle, duct of Bellani, renal papillae are situated renal medulla of kidney, so that is the diagrammatic representation of the nephrons. Then neck is connection between head and tubule and internally lined by ciliated epithelium, and that secretory tubules, first of all PCT, proximal convoluted tubule. It is starting part of tubule situated in cortex, generally lined by cuboidal epithelium. Microvilli present. Microvilli increases surface area for reabsorption and helpful in phagocytosis. Henle's loop, it is U-shaped. One arm is descending and another is ascending, situated in medulla. Descending arm is less thicker than ascending arm. Interiorly lined by squamous epithelium and microvilli are small in size. Then DCT, it is situated in cortex internally lined by cuboidal epithelium and microvilli absent in this region. Then collecting duct. Collecting duct present in medulla, internally lined by columnar epithelium. Collecting ducts combine to form duct of Bellani. Note: cortex is made up of Malpighian capsules, PCT, DCT, and medulla is made up of Henle's loop and collecting duct. Efferent arterioles runs parallel to Henle's loop to form vasa recta. It in the end form renal vein. Nephrons are two types. First of all, cortical nephrons. Approximately 80% present. Bowman's capsules are close to kidney surface and Henle's loop are small. Second of that, juxtamedullary nephrons, only 20% present in the kidney, and its Henle's loop comparatively large in size.